Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon MegaTank, and as you can see, I have G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to fill tanks on this device. So firstly, of course, you should open the cover. This is the most important thing you need to do, and you should have new brand original inks. As you can see here, I have Canon black, Canon yellow, Canon magenta, and Canon cyan. So there is a most important colors we have on our printers. And what do we have here? So firstly, we will fill tank our black tank. So firstly, you should open this element. Afterwards, just open the cartridge, and here we have the system. And using this system, you will not drain your cartridge, your inks. You will not, I don't know. So it's very easy to do. As you can see, you just need to try. This is very good system. It's no matter on which side you wanna use it. Here we have this type, and as you can see, now it's filling automatically. You don't need to press on this button or something about it. You just need to wait. So just wait. I will fill it to the middle point, and now I will do the same with all tanks. As you can see, it was faster with yellow, and here, as you can see, the level of black ink is on the middle point. Cool. And try to do the same with, so I need to close yellow inks and black inks. After filling, just close the caps. So next one is magenta, it's red. And the last one. Cool. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you!